So this question here, don't even need to find the G inverse. If you found yourself finding G inverse, means you don't understand the question well. So anyway, you were supposed to sketch this graph, right? So just go to your GC as usual, just plot it out first. So this is x squared plus 2x minus 3 plus 2x minus 3. So of course, you can complete the square, then it will be good lah. Usual. This is x bigger than -1. So x bigger than, so use the equal sign one. Yeah, okay, then you graph it. Looks like that, right? Now, what I need to do is this. When you want to draw your inverse graph, always draw the x, y equals x graph. Because, okay, you look something like that lah. Okay. Okay, now, to draw the inverse graph, this is what you do. You go to this draw here. So you put second draw. Just put second draw. Or actually, you should quit first. You quit first. Then you put second draw. This is where you go. Draw inverse. You see this draw inverse here? Number 8. Draw inverse. I repeat. So from the graph here, you can't put it here. You quit to the main menu. Just press draw inverse. Second draw inverse, number 8. Now then, draw inverse, what it does is actually they will just swap the y and the x1 value. X value to y to x. So, but you need to call out your function because you see your function here, you have y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, right? Which one to draw? You cannot just write draw inverse and then just hey, your GC is stupid. So you really need to key in, tell him what to do. So you put in, I think is alpha F5. You see this F5 here? Oh, tapian, sorry. So it's not. Where do we get y1? Is it alpha F4? Oh yes, good job. So you see this is y1. You press y1 in. Then you press enter. It looks like that. Okay, this is how you draw inverse. Now, this doesn't look nice, right? Because it looks very disproportionate. Okay, so what you do is you zoom square. Please zoom square. Zoom square number 5. And then maybe zoom in a bit. So I zoom in. So I want to point out this point. Zoom fit maybe. Yeah, 5 and 5. -5. 5. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, this one. Okay, then you zoom square. Zoom square. Okay, great. This is zoom square. Then you just second quit and do the same thing again. Then this one looks nicer. Okay, this looks nicer. So I can actually just copy this wholesale and put on my graph paper. I mean my answer key, and it will be perfect. So that is how you draw. Make sure it's zoom square to scale. Okay, so this part here, this is it. Okay, so draw it out. This one will be empty shell. This one here is more than 1, right? -1, 5. Okay, you can actually just trace -1. Oh, -1, 4. -4. Okay, then this will be 0, -3. This will be 1. Okay, so you label this as y equals to fx. This is y equals to f inverse x. Corresponding point here, if this is -1, -4, that will be -4, -1. Just remember the idea of inverse function, x becomes y, y becomes 4. So swap the sign here. Okay, swap. Same thing with this. This is actually swap, -3, 0. This will be 0, 1. Everything is I never do any calculation. It's all GC work because they never ask for anything but the graph. So, second. Wait, you're asking for the calculator work or how do you sort these coordinates? Oh, okay, okay. Come. Which part? Draw this one, is it? Second quit. Okay. Then you go to second draw. You see this draw here? Second draw. Number 8. Okay. Later I'll come and help you. Alpha F4, then press. Second, you see this program here? There's a draw on top. Okay. Second draw. Then is number 8, draw inverse. Then you go to Y1, you alpha F4. This is where all the meet. Okay, this one here is G indicating the ratio equivalent. The indicating, Cmet about equals to X. All of them made together. Reject. Okay, you can check your answer. Can find the intersection here. This question can actually answer. Just key your calculator. You can actually find. Okay. Intersect. So yeah, 1.3027. Yep, there you go. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, go ahead.